right, welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of April 26th to the 30th, 2021. Today we are only gonna be doing our pre-week. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be doing our weekly analysis. Make sure you do subscribe, and so you will never ever miss any content from us. So let's get straight up to work, guys. Let me show you what the market is doing. Today we are gonna be working using our brand new TWE sniper entry. Kind of like, let me show you a little bit of what the system is all about. It's pretty straightforward. You gonna be getting with this new indicator. Here's our website in case you are interested. But you're gonna be getting this new indicator here, letting you know the market is selling. And look at what happened. It has like a stairmaster walking all the way down, letting you know the market is only selling. And look at what happened. Boom, market drop at this real time. You also have a Teamwitherving buy position. By the way, you're gonna be able to change whatever name you wish on this gold arrow here. You can put your name, your son, your wife, whoever you want. And look at here, market at this time is walking in a stair, going bullish. So right now, GBP USD is still pulling up. It's giving us a retracement, but at the end of the day, it's still bullish. And also, you're gonna be getting this in real time, a multiple time frame indication of what the market is doing from 1 minute to 1 month. So it's very straightforward. This is very neat, guys. You can come into any of our live trading that we do on either Tuesday or Thursday. You can come in and see how this new tool works, but I think you guys gonna love it. Did a analysis last time, and also I did ask everyone, did a survey if you want me to do the future analysis using our TWE sniper entry, and everybody said yes, please keep doing it. So I'm very happy for it. So what we're seeing here, guys, the market, the big boss here is selling, as we all know. Multiple time frame is selling at this present time, and then we just doing a small retracement here. But remember, this our TWE sniper entry, guys, is letting us know the market still still bullish. Look at what the market is doing. Boom, market still bullish. So right now, a continuation of the bullish position just pop in here, and market, yes, it's going bullish. So all I can say is for this coming week, for the week of April 26th to the 30th, which is the last week of April, right? So market still have room to go all the way to retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market will do a retracement, because remember, market had to take a break, right? Then market extends. Market still bullish. Market most likely will push back up to the 23 level, and by then, it's gonna be Wednesday where we're gonna do the before and after. Right now it's the before, and Wednesday is gonna be the after. So you're gonna judge me that day and say, yes, Irving, you were correct. No, Irving, your analysis went against you. Either way is fine. But remember, all I like to teach you guys here is only the data that does not exist yet. What is the data that we're gonna be getting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. I don't know yet all that information. No one knows it. So we're just doing only reality. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Let me go ahead and show you what Euro AUD is doing. A little overview quick how our new system works. Look at here, market is 100% selling in here, right? So all you need to look is only using our new system here is only look for sell. Look at this sell here, was so dang aggressively. Then look at here, sell. It's gonna tell you guys, and look, market sold. So it's very easy to use. You guys gonna be like, what? I didn't even know that this thing exists. But yeah, I mean, it's very accurate. I love it. Let me oh, one thing, guys, that I want everybody to know, someone said, Irving, my chart, I cannot see the candles. Sometimes the candles are all messed up, like kind of like that. It look like a line, right? So double click 2-3 times here on your labels, right on your labels, like 2-3 times, and market will go back to normal. Like for instance, let me do it right now. 1, 2. There you go. You see that? It works on either 2 or 3, but it will line up back to normal side, right? So yeah, man, this, you guys gonna love this. Look at what the market is doing at this time. Our new indicator here, our TWE sniper entry, guys, is letting us know the market is in a buy position. Look at the stairs. Look, you're walking on the stairs. Look at this beautiful thing. So it's telling you, Irvin, and you, I'm on a buy position. Look what the market is doing. You tell me, Irvin, the market is selling. If you tell me the market is selling, well, hopefully you're seeing what I'm seeing here. Look at that, market's still selling. It's not a bull, it's not a bearish yet. I mean, it's bullish, it's not selling yet. So, and look at what our multiple time frame TWE time frames here are saying. Look at this, everyone is in the same direction. Every single one is bullish. Look at that, from daily to 5 minute, everyone is bullish. And this is very real time, guys. This is real data letting you know. So it's a damn pretty good system, man. You guys gonna love this new feature. I'm very excited about this. But anyway, let me show you what the real time data is doing for this coming week, because we're here for our pre-week analysis, right? So what I'm seeing here on Euro AUD, guys, market still trending bullish. Market still have room to go for maybe another 15-20 pips. The reason that I'm saying is this, another 15-20 pip, is because I do see here that there has been previous touches right in this area, support and resistance. Very neat area, very lovely. Look at this, multiple times. So market already retested this area here, but it's not ready yet to be in a drop down. So market here still bullish. So there's nothing yet to say, okay, I'm ready to put a sell position. I don't think it's ready. Maybe on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, but market has still had room to continue bullish. And then probably by then on Tuesday or Monday, we are gonna be seeing a drop, and the market will continue as a bearish, as a bullish. Because remember, look at here, our new system is letting us know that we're still in a buy position. Market still bullish. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Please let me know in the comment below if you do have any question. And one quick thing before I do forget, guys, is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here on YouTube trying to teach you how to trade with rules. So rules pay the bills. And remember, guys, do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose, because here in this business, yes, you can win and also you can lose. Okay, so it's part of doing business. And please don't put the money that you are supposed to pay your rent into this business. All right. And remember, trying to be a master of all equal master of none. So a lot of all the traders, somewhere else, they're trying to be a master on everything. At the end of the day, equal to master of none. So basically, you're not gonna know anything, right? All right. So hopefully, Euro AUD work out on your analysis as well. Let's pay attention here. This is gold, right? Look at what our new system is letting us know here. Look, let me show you back data, because this is brand new. Look at here, market was selling. Look at the stair here, selling 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at what happened. Market drop. Boom. Market drop. Now we do have a brand new right now, a new trend going where? It tell you here, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. Look at what multiple time frame told us here. I'm in a buy position. Look at what everybody is doing here. Market is bullish. So right now, the market is still very bullish. So what we saw this week, yesterday was Friday, right? So what we saw yesterday was the market was trending bearish. So it was getting ready for this coming week to go in favor of the trend. But right now, our new indicator still letting us know, Irvin, we're still trending up. So there's nothing yet for you to go long on this retracement that you are seeing on gold right now as a sell position. So yes, the market is still trending down. All I can say is the market is gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci line, which is gonna be right at this multiple time frame arrows right here. Look, even your magenta line come in. If you put a line in there, boom, look, most likely it's gonna come to right what I'm telling you. then the market will continue as a bullish, because remember, the bullish market is still present in here. So there is nothing yet letting you know, okay, I'm still in a sell position 100%. Maybe could be this coming week, but right, all I can say, gold is still in a bullish position, guys. There is no sell 100% yet for you to be long, so markets can still retrace back. So but this week all I can see is just the market will retrace down. Okay, then we'll continue in favor of this guy here. All right, so hopefully let me know in the comment below if you are finding this valuable, guys. Make sure you do me a favor, because I'm here working for you guys, and all I need in favor is the following. I just need you to make sure you hit that bell notification below, so you can never ever miss any content from us. Anyway, tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow we are gonna be doing our weekly forex forecast, where you're gonna have the opportunity to ask questions. Tomorrow is Sunday, so make sure you do that and never ever regret by missing anything. And like I always say, guys, someone said, Irvin, someone is selling your analysis, but they're selling it as a what's in there? What's those signals, right? They're selling them signal. It's fine. I don't get mad, guys, but remember, it's not cool. You should learn what you know and sell your own idea. But my weekly analysis is right on point. But look at here. Look at what our new TWE sniper entry is letting us know here. Oh, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. We are on the 4 hours, right? Look at what the 4 hours still trending down, right? It's getting ready to go in an uptrend, right? So but right now the market right now is still, look at what here it's telling us now. Oh, buy. So market did went bullish, and then we got a retracement. Here's our multiple time frame. That is no Irvin. Now we're in a sell position, and look at what the market is doing. Market is still retracement, even because it's giving us a retracement, guys. Market here is very accurate, so it's getting ready to go in continuation of the buy, because the buy here is still present. It's nothing yet letting you know with confidence, okay, you should be in a sell position now. So I think this coming week, guys, the market is gonna give us a continuation of the buy, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line, which is gonna be multiple support and resistance right at this level here. So our 50 Fibonacci is a good area. Then market will do a retracement, then we'll continue bullish, because overall all I can say here is the market still bullish. You seeing it, guys, it's here. Look, you cannot say, oh, Irvin, the market is dropping 100%. Market is game over. It already dropped what it's supposed to drop. Now it had to make a correction. Then most likely maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday we are gonna be seeing a brand new trend going bearish, but at this present time market still present as a bullish. But look at the benefit here, guys. This is very neat. Using this new feature that I'm telling you here is super easy. Look at here. Market came in here and told you first multiple time frame pop in, right? Then secondly, our TWE sniper entry form. Look at all that buy position here. Buy. And look at what the market did. Market boom went back up. Look at here. Market drop. Telling you, Irvin, I'm in a sell. Stair came in as well, and look at the drop massively. And then it came a buy again, went bullish through here. It drop again, give you another bullish. Right now the market is still in a buy position, so there's nothing yet letting you know, okay, I'm gonna be selling this coming week. Maybe could be on Tuesday. I don't think it's gonna happen on Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday, guys. Please don't trade on Sundays. Please don't trade on Sunday. Sundays are trap days. They're gonna trap you very well. Just be careful, guys. I usually tell people not to trade on Sunday, but hey, I'm telling you right now, I'm here live with you. Don't make that mistake. Trade on Monday after the New York Open, probably like around 9:30 a.m. and then you should be fine. All right, so once again, guys, you can find us on our website and come and take a look at it. Come and join us if you want. If you want to become a member, you are more welcome to do so. If you do join our multiple time frame, please let me know in the comment below, and I will make sure that you also get the sniper entry. There is no charge for that if you are brand new coming into our system, but come and make money with us. Okay, so let me know, like I say, if you do have any questions. So today we analyze GBP USD, Euro AUD, gold, and GBP Canadian. And tomorrow it is what? Tomorrow is our weekly Forex analysis. So today we are doing only our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of April 26th to the 30th, 2021. Once again, guys, God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, and stay safe, respect your family, and love the world. All right, so we're all human. Love you guys. Take care. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. We're all in this together. So this is not my only homework that I have, guys. Let's go. Make sure you let me know if you want to pop in on our Tuesday video, so you can make pips with us as well. Let's go. So see you on tomorrow, Sunday. Today is Saturday. God bless you guys. Peace.